Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and today I am reviewing the all new helmet from Headfox. So this is a Bluetooth enabled helmet, and if you guys follow me for a long time, you guys have already seen me using this helmet on my Darjeeling trip. So in this video I will share my review and experience with this helmet. So first of all, let's talk about the design. So about the design and build quality of this helmet, it's truly exceptional, crafted with meticulous attention to detail. The convenience of Bluetooth connectivity is at your fingertips with seamless switch, allowing you for effortless communication and entertainment while on the go. Additionally, a built-in sun visor provides much needed shade during bright sunlight, enhancing visibility and comfort. Safety is paramount and the helmet doesn't disappoint. This is the ISI certified helmet, so it enhances overall road safety. And the comfortable on this helmet is really great. Also, this is an open-faced helmet, so yeah, that's a plus point. And also it has the sun visor, which is really great. And also the cushioning on the helmet is really great, so this is really comfortable while on long trips. So as I have already told you, this is a Bluetooth enabled helmet, and you can control everything from here on. So this button works as a play and pause, this one and this one to receive the calls, to next or previous, to go on previous or next songs, and you can control everything from here on. Also this, okay, so my final verdict about this helmet. So if you are searching for a good, comfortable Bluetooth enabled helmet within the range of 5K, then I can highly recommend this helmet to anyone, because this is really comfortable and the Bluetooth connection is really strong. Also the sound in this helmet is really great. So if you want to buy one for yourself, I will mention the link in the description, and also I will mention all the links of all of my riding gears in the description down below, so you guys can check it out. That will help the channel a lot. And this is all for today's video. If you guys have any question regarding this product, let me know in the comment section down below, and see you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.